Welcome to the Sewing Report. We're going to be using this red tablecloth for another project, a monogrammed throw pillow cover. So let's get started. I found this really cool monogram design off of Etsy. I've been getting a lot of embroidery designs there, and I will link this one below. I got a pack of them. So I'm using my Brother PE800 to first do the monogram on the front of the pillow. I'm going to be doing this for an 18 by 18 inch pillow. So one thing, I think my only criticism of this embroidery machine is that occasionally the thread will get snagged in the spool holder. So I'm going to show you what to look for. This doesn't happen super often, but occasionally the thread will get a little bit tangled around the spool, right in between the spool and the spool cap. So just look for something like this where it will get tangled. I babysit the machine religiously, and when I notice this happens, I stop the machine right away, untangle the thread, and then start back up again, and you should be good to go. But this is why you really need to keep a close eye on each embroidery design. So I'm going to be finishing up the monogram. This one took a little bit, and I've been keeping my machine on the lowest stitch speed just because I want to be able to, again, keep an eye on things. To fit an 18 by 18 inch pillow, I cut about a 19 inch square, and I'm cheating a little bit. I'm using the hem ends of the tablecloth as the back of the pillow cover, and this is helpful because I'm doing the envelope style, so I basically just cut two 19 inch by like about 13 to 14 inch pieces, and I'm just overlapping them, putting them right sides down. Pinning everything. Again, this is a super easy DIY project, only requires very basic sewing skills. So we're taking it over to the machine, and I'm doing about a 1/2 inch seam allowance. This fabric did tend to fray quite a bit, and I did pre-wash and dry my fabric. So I'm just going around the perimeter. Again, with the 1/2 inch seam allowance, went pretty quickly. Since the envelope closure is already hemmed, you don't have to do that. Then you clip the corners, and I'm taking it over to the serger to finish off the raw edges. But if you don't have a serger, you can just zigzag it on your regular sewing machine, or you can use pinking shears and your fabric won't fray. So there are several options if you don't have a serger, so don't really worry about that. And this is really it for the project. Here is the finished pillow cover. Great project, really easy, and doesn't take a lot of time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Sewing Report for everything sewing, crafts, and DIY projects. I'm Jennifer Moore, and I'll see you again in the next video.